Writing Task 2. Band 9 Score Model Essay. With advanced vocabulary. Question. People have different job expectations for jobs. Some people prefer to do the same job for the same company, whereas others prefer to change jobs frequently. Write about the advantages and disadvantages of each viewpoint. You should write at least 250 words. Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. Model Answer 1. In the modern workplace, there is no longer the attitude that a job is for life. Nowadays, many people take the option to change jobs, while others prefer not to. In this essay, I will explore the good and bad points of the above attitudes. One of the main benefits of staying in one job is security. Changing employers often means a period of instability, where one may have to think about moving house or temporarily losing a steady source of income. Staying in one job means these problems are avoided. Another benefit of not changing occupation is that one is able to gain a lot of experience and expertise in his specific profession, thus enhancing job security. One's company may recognize their loyalty and reward their service. On the other hand, those who often change jobs may be seen as unreliable, lacking in experience, and employers might be reluctant to hire and invest training in them. However, there are arguments in favor of changing jobs frequently. One is that a worker improves his employability. Working in several different jobs often means that the individual has more skills. Such people are seen as more dynamic and versatile. Another benefit of changing jobs frequently is that one never gets stuck in a rut. From my own experience, I got bored when I spent too long in a job. Following this, the quality of my work would suffer. I also believe that employers generally don't tend to greatly reward loyalty or commitment. Increased wages and promotions are often easier to attain by changing jobs. Overall, it can be said that the disadvantages of changing jobs are the advantages of staying put, and vice versa. In my opinion, I feel that changing jobs every once in a while is of more benefit. Model Answer 2. People have many expectations from their jobs. Jobs are usually done by people to fulfill their needs and also for self-satisfaction and for gaining skills. Employees look for promotions and salary hikes whenever they think they deserve it. To obtain this, some people prefer to change jobs frequently, while others continue with one job in the same company. This is a typical question nowadays. I strongly believe that both situations have pros and cons. Firstly, if people endure in the same company in the same job, then they gain a lot of experience, which is counted to offer promotion ultimately, and that results in a salary hike. Moreover, for this scenario, responsibility increases, it provides security and also shows loyalty to a company. So, the company recognizes the employee as a trustworthy person and offers many benefits, including foreign job promotions. On the other hand, continuing a job in the same company for a longer time is a slow process of career growth. The same work throughout the career is also tedious to many people. Secondly, switching from one job to another job will bring a challenging environment, whether they continue in the same company or not. While doing this, they get chances of having new social relations and gaining different job skills. By continuous changes, new pictures come to the screen. So, ultimately the person will be fresher to the new job. But if the transferring takes place with the same job among various companies, it leads to quick career growth. In general, more people become interested in following this process. The one big advantage is salary hikes will be more. Finally, I strongly opine that continuous change in jobs provides quick career growth. While staying in a single job in the same company avoids personal problems like shifting houses, children's educational growth, adjusting to new environments, etc. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. Press the bell icon to get more updates. Thanks for watching.